What's the meaning of arrogance? Arrogance. Arrogance.
Arrogance. Arrogance. Arrogance is a trait characterized by an exaggerated sense of self-importance, superiority, and entitlement. Arrogant individuals tend to believe that they are better than others and deserve special treatment. They have a tendency to overestimate their abilities and underestimate the abilities of others. Arrogance often leads to negative consequences such as strained relationships, isolation, and a lack of personal and professional growth. Additionally, arrogant behavior can lead to conflicts and power struggles in social and work environments. Ultimately, arrogance can hinder personal and interpersonal development and limit opportunities for success.